Alright, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning sa ating lahat, lalo na sa ating Filipino Association of Safety Professionals Incorporated. Shout out sa inyong lahat, sa ating mga Filipino kaligtas. And of course, shout out sa ating mga newly graduates ng ating Professional Diploma in Occupational Safety and Health Specialist from PASP Training Consultancy Services. So, shout out sa inyong lahat. So, ang pag-uusapan natin yung tips number 2 na tinatawag natin the difference between lagging and leading indicators. So, usually guys, lumalabas ito sa interview, lalo na sa mga nag-apply ng safety consultant, safety specialist, or safety managers. Okay? So, lumalabas po ito. So, dapat kahit paano alam natin ito. And advance na rin kaalaman sa ating mga safety professionals at the same time sa ating mga aspirant, lalo na sa ating mga member ng ating Filipino Association of Safety Professionals Incorporated. So ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng lagging indicator? Kapag in-interview kayo guys, what is the difference between lagging and leading indicators, and give example. So ganito lang natin ipaliwanag, simplihan lang natin. When we see lagging indicators guys, sabihin natin lagging indicators are measuring the track effectiveness of the company safety program after an incident occur. Okay, the incident, how will safety system has worked in preventing accident in the past. Example of lagging indicator, injury rate, the number of injuries that have occurred over the period of time, or the construction site natin. Then lost time injury frequency rate, or lost time injury frequency rate, or yung tinatawag natin na LTIFR. So the number of injuries that result in employees needing to take time off work. What else? Example, severity rate, like the number of days lost due to injury or illness. So that is the example of lagging indicator. Now, when we say leading indicators are measures that track the effectiveness of a company's safety program before an incident occurs or before the incidents happen. They provide insight that can help you to identify the potential hazard in the areas of concern and take corrective action before an incident happens. So yan ang ibig sabihin ng leading indicator. Example of these leading indicators like near-miss reporting, safety training completion rates, safety inspection results, auditing, safety procedures, approve, mga documents natin, safety plan. Okay, that are those example of leading indicators. Okay, so I hope dyan sa munting kaalaman natin na sinishare sa inyo, tandaan ninyo, ang sa akin ay munting kaalaman lamang na maibahagi sa inyong lahat, at naway mapulutan ninyo ng aral, at gusto nyo pang maintindihan yung sinasabi natin, yung ano ba yung leading and lagging indicators, dapat din hindi lang kayo nakabatay sa isang nangangaral or nagbabahagi, at marami pong pwedeng hanapan ng paraan para mas lalo natin palawakin ang ating munting kaalaman. Kasama na dyan yung si Mr. Google. I-type nyo lang si Mr. Google, nandyan sa YouTube. Marami dyan nag-i-explain. So, the more na iba't iba ang explanation, pero nandun yung tinatawag natin diwa ng kaalaman na binabahagi ng bawat mga safety professionals na nagtuturo ng mga ganitong usapin patungkol sa leading and lagging indicators. So I hope mayroon na naman tayong natutunan sa araw na ito at maraming salamat sa inyo. Shout out again sa ating Filipino Association of Safety Professionals Incorporated. Shout out sa ating PASPI Training Consultancy Services. Shout out sa Philippine Safety Council's Safety Training Services. Lalo na sa ating butihing kaibigan at kakampi at board of director ng ating association na si Boss Jeff Manlapas, Jonathan Gallardo, Jomar Cayago, Christopher Punticha, ang ating international president, si Christopher Del Monte, ang ating international secretary, si Dennis Clark Antonio, ang ating treasurer, ating mga board of directors, si Ray Bayita, ang ating Vice President for Operation, si Rodi Ladan, sa Vice President natin for Admin, si Allen Wayne Santos, ating mga Board of Directors, sila si Remo, sila Antonio Remo, sila si Joseph Buado, sila si Brian Calma, Sister, Manuel Ribicoy, sino pa? Sila si Carlito, Gipulya, Salvador, sino pa ba? Archel Blancada, Lazarte, Dins Lazarte, sino pa? Si Abdul Munil, si Dave Santillan, sino pa ba? Marami pa akong nakalagtaan na hindi na mention ang kanilang mga pangalan. So, pasensya na, sign of progress, kalimutan natin. So maraming salamat again mga kapatid, mga kakampi, naway magiging daan itong mga video na ginagawa natin na mag-iiwan sa inyo kahit papano ng munting kaalaman patungkol sa ating safety profession o safety career. So maraming salamat po, mabuhay tayong lahat. Congrats sa ating Filipino Association of Safety Professionals Incorporated. Babu!